See you on the other side. Are you sure? Where are you going? And how do I know I'll make it there? What's it like over there? Is there a way you can tell me about it? Am I viewed amongst the righteous or the wicked? What's real about what's around me right now? There's this world you're in and another world that simultaneously exists that you can't see, but it sees you. Allah, the angels, and other elements of the unseen are watching you, and you're only one step away from it. It starts with a basic truth. Those we have buried are not actually dead. They've entered the barzakh, a parallel existence where there are people right now that are just as alive as you. Some of them are watching green birds that were once in bodies of martyrs soar above them. Others are drowning in rivers of blood. Some are dwelling in beautiful homes among family members that have been dead for decades. Others are busy being devoured by beasts with many heads. So what is this realm? And what do we know about the people who reside in it? And what would knowing about that world do for us today to make sense of the world we live in right now? And what does it mean for us in our own individual journeys, trying to find our way back to Allah?